McQueen.
Oh, we have a new family today. It's Lighting McQueen remote control.
Yeah, but you can't look at it. Look at it in the back.
Ooh.
This is where all the control is. Yeah.
You can go fast.
And I have a Lighting McQueen shirt like this.
Yeah,
Like this
that's
one.
right.
I think I'm very. Open it. We're gonna open it. Can you do this?
Yes, you can. We're gonna open it, guys, with the scissor. Okay. Pull this thing out.
Hey guys, look at this in the back.
Yeah. Look at this bottom, guys. See that? Yeah, we need to open this.
Yeah, that's the one I'm cleaning. And this is the remote.
This is the remote. That's right. Look at this. Okay.
Look
Let's
at that.
open the bottom first. Okay.
Yeah, let's open the bottom.
Watch your hand. Watch your hand. I'm gonna cut this one. Okay. It's easy for us to open it.
And then.
Give 1 second, please. And then we twist this like
I did
this.
it. I'm doing it.
Good job. It's okay. Do it this way, Toby.
Oh, I can come out.
Yay!
How about this one?
Now the remote, Toby. Let's go check. Oh, the remote. Look at, guys. There's also another one in the back. Look, Tyler.
We need to have fun.
There's also a remote in the back.
Open.
Yes, that's what we're doing. Right?
Yeah, but guys, but we need to put batteries so it can move.
There you go. Let me
Guys,
do it, Toby.
he's going inside his cage. Inside his cage.
Not yet, Toby.
He's
Okay.
going inside his cage.
Okay.
Hey, watch out. Hi. This is close to battery.
Toby.
So this is how McQueen.
So, guys, I think we need to put the battery for the new toy. Right?
This one.
Yeah.
And this one.
So that's the remote control.
No.
And the other one is the Lighting McQueen.
Yeah, and also this can turn.
Yes. But you control it by the remote control.
Yeah, but Toby just dropped it.
Well, we need to put the battery first, okay? Let's put the battery.
Alright, I'm mine.
Okay, guys, so we have this Lighting McQueen, and we open it. And make sure you also have your parents to help you.
And this is where the
This is where the battery,
and we need 3 at all.
3 battery, okay?
And we need to put it inside of this.
Yeah, so we're gonna have to put it this one first, Tyler. This bottom first, and then go in like that.
And
The same one, we go bottom first, and then you push it in.
2.
Good job.
Hey.
Last one. Like this, yes. Good job. All right, now we can put it back and close it.
Yeah, and let's see we can talk.
Well, this one doesn't talk. This one is only raise. And then Toby has the controller. Okay, Toby Topes. Give me the other one.
Yeah, I need to walk.
Yeah, I think this one we only need 1.
Yeah. It's on.
It's on? Good job. Okay.
So it can move.
So we just have to wait this side, okay? Remember, you also tell your parents.
No, 2.
Oh, this one need 2. Oh, well, okay. Well, look at this. This is okay. This one is a little bit bigger. So we need to find a small one, okay? A small battery.
Oh no. Peanut butter.
So this is the correct size for the remote. It's a smaller battery. Okay, Toby, this is how we're gonna do it. You're gonna put it here, look at the spring.
Yes.
Okay? I'm gonna put it there, the bottom first, remember, to the spring, and then you push it in. This one has the spring, we put the bottom, and then push it in. Okay, now we close it. Let's close it.
Now we need to screw it.
Yes, we need to screw that.
Now let's see. You can mush.
Okay. Now, well, we don't want to play on the table because when you Lighting McQueen go, Lighting McQueen can go fall from the table and can break. So let's put them on the floor, okay?
Yep.
Okay?
I go first. Go! Wow, definitely. Toby! Set, go!
It's right here, Tyler. You can go backward too. Oh, it goes underneath.
Go backwards, Toby.
Go backward.
Toby, go backwards. Now
Ready, Tyler? Go press it.
Whoa!
Oh.